Let's start with a simple question. Why is the same t-shirt so cheap in Bangladesh, but so expensive in the United States? Think about it. In Bangladesh, you can buy a basic t-shirt for around $2 to $4. But in the United States, that same type of t-shirt sells for $15, $20, even $30. That's not a small difference. That's a massive gap. Now imagine this. You buy a t-shirt for $3 and sell it for $20. That's more than 5x potential profit. And this is just the beginning. Let's break it down. T-shirts. In Bangladesh, basic, $2 to $4. Good quality, $4 to $6. Export quality, $6 to $8. In the United States, basic retail, $12 to $18. Mid quality, $18 to $25. Branded, $25 to $40+. Same product, different price. Now shirts. In Bangladesh, casual shirts, $5 to $10. Formal shirts, $8 to $15. High quality, $15 to $20. In the United States, casual, $25 to $50. Formal, $40 to $80. Branded, $80 to $150+. Now pants. In Bangladesh, jeans, $10 to $18. Cotton pants, $8 to $15. Premium, $18 to $25. In the United States, jeans, $40 to $80. Premium, $80 to $150. Branded, $150+. So what's happening here? Simple. Bangladesh is one of the biggest garment producers in the world. Low labor cost, mass production, export-focused factories. That keeps prices low. In the United States, branding, marketing, and retail increase the price. Now here's the opportunity. You don't need to create a brand from day one. You can start as a reseller, buy from a low-cost source, and sell in a high-value market. That's how smart businesses start. Now let's talk about quality. Many people think cheap means low quality. That's not always true. Many global brands manufacture in Bangladesh. Same factories, same materials, same quality, but different labels, different prices. Now imagine this. You get access to those sources. You're not paying for the brand, for the product. And you sell it smartly. That's where profit comes from. Let's break down a simple example. You buy a t-shirt, $4. Shipping and extra cost, $3. Total cost, $7. Sell in the US, $18. Profit, $11 per piece. Now multiply that. 100 pieces, $1,100 profit. That's how scaling works. But remember, price alone is not enough. You must understand quality, target audience, selling platform, because in the US market, presentation matters, packaging matters, photos matter, trust matters, but your biggest advantage comes from your buying price. And Bangladesh gives you that edge. Now competition. Yes, many people are doing this, but most do it wrong. They sell low quality at high prices. They don't build trust. They don't understand the market. That's where you win, by doing it right, by being honest, by delivering value. Now think about this. You are not starting from zero. You already know where to buy cheap. That's a powerful position. This was step one. Now you understand the price difference, the opportunity. But the real question is, how do you bring clothes from Bangladesh to the United States? Shipping, cost, process, risk. That's exactly what we'll break down in step 2. And this is where most people get confused. Now, this is the part where most people get confused. You understand the price difference. You understand the opportunity. But the real question is, how do you actually bring clothes from Bangladesh to the United States? Let's break it down simply. No confusion, no complexity. There are 2 main ways: air shipping and sea shipping. Let's start with air. Air shipping is fast, very fast. Your products can reach the US within 5 to 10 days. That's the biggest advantage. But speed comes with a cost. Air shipping is expensive. On average, it can cost you around $5 to $8 per kg. So if your clothes are light, this can still work. But if you're shipping in bulk, the cost increases fast. Now sea shipping. This is the opposite. Slow, but cheap. Delivery time, 20 to 40 days. But the cost, much lower. Around $1 to $3 per kg. So if you're planning long-term, sea shipping is the smarter option. Let's talk about quantity. Because this changes everything. If you are starting small, say 20 to 50 pieces, air shipping is better. Why? Because the total weight is low, and you get your products quickly. You can test the market. But if you are serious, 100 pieces, 200 pieces, 500 pieces, then sea shipping becomes powerful. Because your cost per item drops, and your profit increases. Now let's break down a real example. Let's say you buy a t-shirt for $4. Weight per piece, around 200 grams. So 5 pieces equals 1 kilogram. Now calculate. Air shipping. 1 kilogram equals $6. So per t-shirt shipping cost, about $1.2. Total cost per t-shirt. Product equals 4. Plus shipping equals 1.2. Total equals $5.2. Sell in the US, $18. Profit, around $12 per piece. Now sea shipping, 1 kilogram equals $2. So per t-shirt shipping, $0.4. Total cost, 4 plus 0.4, $4.4. 0.4 equals $4.4. Sell at $18. Profit equals around $13.5. Now imagine this, 500 pieces. Profit difference becomes huge. That's why smart sellers switch to sea shipping. Now let's talk about hidden costs. Many beginners ignore this, and that's where they lose money. You must consider packaging cost, local transport, customs duty sometimes, handling charges. These may add 0.5 to $1 per piece. Still, your margin stays strong. Now another important point, tracking. Always use shipping methods that provide tracking. Because lost products equals lost money. Now risk. Air shipping is lower risk. Sea shipping is slightly higher risk. Because time is longer. But with the right agent, risk becomes minimal. Now listen carefully. Shipping is not your problem. Understanding it is your advantage. Most people stop here because they think it's complicated. But it's actually simple. Start small with air. Sea. Oh, that's the strategy. Now think about this. You now know where to buy, how to ship, how to calculate profit. You are already ahead of 90% of people. But one big question still remains. How do you actually find trusted suppliers in Bangladesh? How do you avoid scams? And how can you manage everything, even if you are sitting in the United States? That's exactly what we'll cover in step 3. And this part is the most important. Now this is the most important part, because everything you learned before means nothing if you choose the wrong supplier. You can lose money. You can get scammed. You can receive low-quality products, and that's where most beginners fail. So listen carefully. Every line matters. First question, how do you buy clothes from Bangladesh while sitting in the United States? Simple answer. You don't need to be there physically. You need the right system and the right people. Let's break it down. Step 1, finding suppliers. There are 3 main ways: direct factory contact, local sourcing agents, online platforms. Let's understand each one. Direct factory, you contact garment factories directly. Pros, lowest price, better control, bulk advantage. Cons, minimum order required. Communication gap, hard for beginners. Sourcing agents, best for beginners. This is the smartest way to start. A sourcing agent is someone in Bangladesh who finds products for you, checks quality, and arranges shipping. Pros, easy communication, less risk, small service fee, but that fee saves you from big losses. Online platforms. Some people try to buy from websites. Ask for real product photos. Not catalog photos. Reality is different. So never trust blindly. Step 2. Avoiding scams. This is very important. Here's what you must do. Always ask for real product photos. Not catalog photos. Ask for video proof. Check business history. Never pay full amount up front. Start with a small order. Test first. If everything is good, then scale. Step 3. Quality check. Never skip this. Before shipping, your products must be checked. Either your agent checks it, or a third-party inspection. Because once shipped, you can't fix mistakes. Step 4. Remote control system. Now imagine this. You are in the USA, but your business runs in Bangladesh. How? Simple. You build a system. You don't do everything. You manage everything. That's business. Step 5. Build trust network. Don't jump between suppliers. Find 1 or 2 trusted people. Build long-term relationships. Because trust equals smooth business. Big mistake to avoid. Most beginners do this. They chase the cheapest price and get the worst quality. Remember, cheap plus bad quality equals no business. Always balance. Price plus quality plus trust. Now the real opportunity. If you do this right, you can run a business from anywhere in the world. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need a big team. You just need right system, right people, right mindset. Important message, CTA. Now listen carefully. If you want to import clothes from Bangladesh to the United States, without getting scammed, without wasting time, without dealing with fake suppliers, then you need trusted people. And if you're serious about starting, you can contact us. We help you. Ensure quality. Arrange shipping. Avoid scams. All the details are in the description. WhatsApp number is given below. Message us directly, and we'll guide you step by step. Final thought. You now know everything. Price difference, shipping system, profit calculation, supplier sourcing. Now the only thing left is action. Because knowledge without action is nothing. Start small. Start smart. Start now.